Hi guys, today I have another fragrance from Dossier and it is their iconic scent, designer quality with no markup. How this works, it came with a sample, so when you buy, you try the sample, and if you don't like the scent, you can return. You can always return, guys. The fragrance I have today is the Wooded Ginger. I'll take a quick run through of their website so you can get a feel of all the different fragrances they have and their prices. Their products are cruelty free. The Wooded Ginger is only $29, guys, and this is how it is looking on their website. The Wooded Ginger is inspired by Tom Ford, and the retail price is $84, guys, and you're getting this for only $29. It has a masculine scent. This is 1.7 ounce, and it is eau de perfume, which is one of the strongest scents. You can also go and explore their scent category like their amber, aquatic, aromatic, citrus, floral, and lots more, you all. You can also explore the women's and men fragrances. Also, there are unisex fragrances, guys, so go and explore. The link will be in the description down below. Go and check it out, you all. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.